Are you looking for steady, stable, and predictable income through retirement? Then please come join us June 5th right here in our offices in Eden Prairie. Go to our websites for details and tickets.
You can also feel free to share the event with your friends on Facebook. Greg and I are both on Facebook. We'd love to meet up with you there and get to know you just a little bit better. Speaking of Facebook, its IPO set a new record for its stock debut on Friday. Volume surpassed 578 million shares. The gain was small, however. Shares closed at $38.23 at the end of regular trading, up 0.61% from the initial $38 offering price. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ended the trading week below 1,300, a casualty of renewed pessimism over the future of the euro and debt burdens in Spain and Greece. Greece dissolved its parliament Friday and set new elections for June, increasing global fears that it will exit the euro. Moody's issued downgrades for 16 Spanish banks on Thursday, and one of them happened to be the biggest bank in the eurozone.
According to the Commerce Department, April brought no change in the Consumer Price Index and only a 0.1% advance in retail sales. Annualized consumer inflation was at 2.3% last month, the lowest in 14 months. Core CPI was at 0.2% in April.
The Conference Board's leading economic indicators declined last week. The private research group's monthly index retreated 0.1% for April after a 0.3% March gain. On the upside, the index has risen 1.8% in the past 6 months compared to 0.1% in the 6 months prior.
And on a positive in the real estate end, home builders broke ground on 717,000 new homes in April. Single-family construction starts were up 2.3% from March levels.
Facebook frenzy notwithstanding, the market had it rough last week. The major index performance during May 14th to the 18th are as follows. The S&P 500 was down over 4.3% to 1295. The Dow Jones Industrials Average was down over 3.5% to 12,369, and the Nasdaq down over 5.25% to 2778. The end of the day yield on the 10-year Treasury was just 1.69% last Thursday, near the all-time intraday low of 1.67%.
And here's what we see going on this week. Today, first quarter results from Urban Outfitters, Lowe's, and Campbell's Soup.
Tomorrow, the National Association of Realtors gives us data on April existing home sales, and first quarter results are in from AutoZone, Best Buy, and Dell.
And Wednesday brings fresh earnings reports from HP, Big Lots, Toll Brothers, and Pandora, and the Census Bureau's numbers on April's new home sales.
A report on April durable goods orders arrives on Thursday, along with earnings from Costco and Tiffany.
Friday, no earnings reports, but the final May Reuters University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey will appear.
That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagen.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So please be sure to subscribe. We'll talk with you then.